Aweh Millionaire, it's me, and I'm back with another high impact news smart trader analysis. And today's high impact news is firstly, today's the 9th of April. It's the 9th of April, and the high impact news that I'm looking at, if we go to Forex Factory, is you'll see at 2:30 p.m. we had high impact news on CAD. We had employment change, unemployment rate, as well as USD Unemployment Claims. 2:30 Thursday, the 9th of April. So already you know, we take the CAD, we take the dollar, put them together. We analyze USDCAD as a smart trader, and we collect those pips, because as smart traders, what we do is we trade like smart traders and follow the smart money. So the trade of the day is USDCAD. As you can see, I'm short on USD to CAD, sold it. As you can see over there, there's a stop loss over there. We've got our entry price over there, as well as the TP over there, which is just about to get hit. Okay, it's smart trade analysis, guys. It's high impact news. Another day, another dollar. I'm going to show you how I analyze this trade and how you too can analyze the charts like a smart trader and collect these easy pips that are like literally screaming at you. The banks are screaming at you what they're doing, and all you got to do is follow the clues, follow the banks, and be a smart trader. If you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader, and you want to learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But USD CAD, let's get into the analysis. Trade like a smart trader, follow the smart money.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
So this is it's a very simple analysis. This is USD CAD. Remember, when we're trading high impact news, we need the two key tools, which is supply and demand and FX volume. I've already plotted my supply and demand levels. Okay, the supply and demand levels, which are actually plotted in my previous NFP analysis video, so you can click on the right hand side to see how I plotted these videos, how I got these levels. But the new level that I added, for those of you that have the free training, is if I go to the 4-hour time frame, the new level which I added is right over here around the 16th of March, is the new demand level which I added, okay, which I'm going to explain just now. So just so that you can see 4-hour time frame demand level, I'll actually go to the 15-minute time frame so you can see exactly where I got this level from. So that's the 4-hour chart. 15-minute chart, let's go to the 15-minute time frame so you can see exactly where this level is from. So 15-minute chart, 16th of March, high volume spike. Already you know, skibbity pap, plotted the level, the new demand level for this trade. Okay, so that's that. Back to the 15-minute time frame. So just so that I can quickly explain, this was the demand level which I plotted previously in my previous video, and this is the new demand level which I identified for today's trade. Okay, now we have the demand level, we have a demand level as well which was broken through. So if I quickly go through the analysis so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So on the 7th of April, price broke through the demand level. It broke through that demand level and came to test the new demand level, bounced off the demand level. Okay, that was on the 7th of April. Now the 8th of April is where the banks left the clues for us. So if we go to the 8th of April, there's two very important clues that you can see. As you can see, the TP has just been hit the TP, so another day, another dollar pips collected. But anyway, let's get back to the analysis. 8th of April is where the clues were left by the banks. And where are the clues? The clues are right over here. clue over here, as well as a clue right over there. And what are these clues? Okay, the Forex high spike, the Forex volume high spikes, clues left by the banks. Let's look exactly what the banks were telling us. So skibbity pap, there was a clue over there, and skibbity pap, there was a clue right over there. Okay, and what was the clue there? The clue was the supply level. Supply level, as you can see. Okay, so right over there, right on the same price level. Okay, so clearly we knew the banks were leaving a clue there. Clearly we know that this is a interest area, an interest level that the banks are interested in. Okay, so now we know where the smart money is. So we've got the demand level number 1, which price broke through. We've got another demand level number 2 right over here. So that is that. And then today, 9th of April, what did we have? We had price went all the way up to go and test this supply level. Okay, this supply level was tested by the today on the 9th of April, and already we know when price tests the supply level, all we got to do is sell. Okay, this is an opportunity to sell when price bounces off a supply level, and that's exactly what it did. Price came, tested the supply level. We already know where the smart money is. Number 2, we know what the dumb money is thinking. They see prices going up, they just want to buy. But we're not dumb traders, we're not amateurs, we're smart traders because we trade like smart traders and we follow the smart money. So price bouncing off a supply level, and all you got to do then is plot your entry and your stop loss. Okay, in this case, entry, stop loss, as I've explained time and time again, most recent fractal high and most recent fractal low are the tools we use to plot the entry as well as the stop loss. Okay, and in this case, when we sell, we use the most recent fractal high as the stop loss and the most recent fractal low as the entry price. Okay, so that was the entry price over there. And then TP, you know what it is. You just plot where you want to take your profit. So that's what it was. Price came, bounced off the supply level, and as the news came out, okay, this is very important. Not only did price test the supply level, it came and it tested the supply level skibbity pap with high volume. So price came out, shot through the level, shot past, tested the level and shot down with high volume. So already know that the banks were supporting this trade, and then you just let the banks do the rest, and as you can see, no interruptions, no problems. The trade went straight through and went and hit the TP with no interruptions and no problems. Aweh Millionaire, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.